how you can set a timer to turn off your phone on Android. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Now scroll down and look for Smart Assistants. Tap on it. Next, tap on Schedule Power On/Off. Here, make sure the feature is turned on. Now, tap on Power Off Time. Choose the time you want your phone to turn off automatically. You can also set a Power On time if you want your phone to turn on by itself. Then, tap on Repeat. You can choose Never, Monday to Friday, Every Day, or Custom. Pick the days you want. Select what works best for you. If you don't see this option, go to the search bar at the top of the settings and type in Scheduled Power On, and you should find it. And that's it. That's how you can set a timer to turn off your phone on Android.